The Homful outdoor IGT table combines practicality with style, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and adaptable outdoor table. Its combination of portability, durability, and multifunctionality will undoubtedly enhance your outdoor experiences, whether you are an avid camper or simply enjoy occasional backyard gatherings. Additionally, the multifunctional aspect cannot be overlooked. This table is not limited to just food preparation. It serves well as a dining table, drink station, or even as a portable workstation for those who need to stay productive while enjoying nature. The detachable design facilitates straightforward assembly and disassembly, making it user-friendly for people of all ages. Aesthetically, the table boasts a sleek, modern look that adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor setting. Its design seamlessly complements various activities, from casual get-togethers to more formal dining experiences in nature. In terms of maintenance, the aluminum surface is easy to clean, allowing you to wipe away spills and debris without hassle. This feature is particularly beneficial after a barbecue, where grease and food remnants can quickly accumulate.